Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about Helium IOT earnings in 2024. I will say first that I will not going to talk about big earnings, hundreds or thousands of dollars for a month. I have Sensecap miner and directional antenna 8 dBi. Why directional? Why did I choose directional? Because I live outside city, so there are not many miners around me and only a few behind me. That's why I decided to upgrade with a directional antenna. So let's see what are my daily earnings. So here my miner was on the night list, so here in these 10 days there are no earnings, but usually I have between 350 and 550, let's say, here for 33, 410, 342, 461. He was over 500. So let's see what would be my monthly earnings today on 14 April. The price is almost 20% down in one day, so I will just calculate with a price from 2 days, which was 0.001, and that will be probably that price will be probably returned back in a few days. So let's see. If you have 350 001 30 days, that's around $10 monthly. If you have 500, that would be $15 monthly. So I can say that my monthly earnings are from $10 to $15 with this miner, and I've been mining with this one something more than a year. Is it profitable? And did I return my investment? For me, yes. At this moment, the prices are really low, but it is profitable, because if I sell my miner, if I quit with mining, I wouldn't get much for miner, but I need just few more months to get back my investment in this miner, because I paid it around $200, and antenna was $100. But like most people, if you pay the miner $600 or $700, like I did with my first miner, your investment isn't probably returned, and will not be returned probably in some more time. So should you start mining now? If you can find a miner which the price is around $150 or $200, but you must count that stock antenna wouldn't be enough to get some significant earnings. So you must buy a better antenna. I will not say yes or no. Should you start? You shouldn't start. You just think about that. I will leave on you to decide. Think about. We don't know which will be the future price of Helium IOT, so it can go up, it can go down. So I will leave that on you to decide. Should you mine or not? Because if you nowadays, if you invest $300 for $10 to $17 a month, just think about it. You would probably need to, let's see how many months. If you pay 300, let's say you earn 15, you would need 20 months to get your investment back. In the description there are few affiliate links where you can get 10% discount if you buy a wallet or a miner. Also, if you use the codes, I will get something little from your purchase. That would be that for today, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.